Have you ever wondered what secrets does the hidden side of the moon hold? From time immemorial, the moon has captivated our imagination. Its silvery glow a symbol of tranquility, a muse to poets and artists alike. Yet, for all its familiar face, there's a side to the moon we never see, the far side, the hidden side, forever turned away from our gaze. Like an enigmatic whisper in the dark, it's been the source of countless myths, legends, and endless speculation. But this is not a tale of fantasy. It's a story of human curiosity, of bold exploration and groundbreaking science. It's about a journey to illuminate the dark, to unveil the secrets of the moon's unseen half. What lies in the moon's shadow? Why is it hidden from us? And what can it reveal about our universe? Today, we delve into the history and scientific discoveries about the moon's hidden side. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has always been a source of curiosity. For centuries, it has been a beacon in our night sky, inspiring countless tales and theories. In ancient times, when technology was but a dream, the unseen side of the moon was shrouded in mystery. The Greeks believed it was the home of the gods, while many Asian cultures imagined a rabbit pounding rice cakes in its shadowy craters. As the centuries rolled on, the hidden side of the moon remained an enigma, its secrets locked away, inaccessible to the human gaze. It was not until the dawn of the space age that we finally got a glimpse of what lay beyond our lunar companion's visible face. In the mid-20th century, technology took a giant leap forward. The space race between the United States and the Soviet Union paved the way for unprecedented advancements in aerospace technology. This culminated in the launch of Luna 3, a Soviet spacecraft, in October of 1959. Luna 3 made history by capturing the first images of the moon's far side. These grainy black and white pictures revealed a landscape vastly different from the familiar face of the moon. It was a world of rugged terrain and densely packed craters, unlike anything we'd seen before. The first images of the moon's hidden side were a revelation, opening up a new frontier of lunar exploration. The year 1959 marked a significant milestone in lunar exploration. It was in this year that the Soviet Union launched the Luna 3 mission, a daring endeavor that would forever alter our perception of our celestial neighbor. For the first time in human history, we were able to peek beyond the moon's familiar face. Luna 3, an unmanned spacecraft, was equipped with a camera designed to withstand the harsh conditions of space. It successfully captured images of the moon's elusive far side, a sight never before seen by human eyes. The photos were grainy and lacked detail, but they revealed a landscape vastly different from the moon's near side. They showed a terrain pocked with craters and virtually devoid of the large, flat lunar seas, or maria, that marked the side visible to us. These images, as rudimentary as they were, sparked a wave of excitement and curiosity. These images changed our understanding of the moon forever. The hidden side of the moon is not just a mirror image of the side we see. It holds its own unique characteristics, which distinguish it from the familiar face we're accustomed to. Let's delve into these distinguishing traits. Firstly, the terrain. Unlike the near side, the far side of the moon is rough, rugged, and densely cratered. The surface is a mesmerizing canvas of overlapping lunar craters which tell a story of intense bombardment over billions of years. This rough and rugged terrain extends almost everywhere, making the far side an exciting yet challenging landscape for future lunar missions. Then we have the lunar maria, or the dark patches we see on the moon's near side. These maria, formed by ancient volcanic activity, are almost absent on the moon's far side. Only about 1% of the far side is covered with maria, compared to 31% of the near side. But why is this so? Well, scientists believe that the moon's crust is thicker on the far side, which could have prevented magma from reaching the surface, thus limiting the formation of maria. This discrepancy in crustal thickness is thought to have originated from the moon's formation and early evolution, a topic of ongoing research and constant fascination. Moreover, the far side also houses one of the largest known impact craters in the solar system, the South Pole Aitken Basin. Stretching across 2,500 kilometers, this enormous crater plunges about 13 kilometers deep, a distinctive feature that holds clues to the moon's violent past. From its rugged terrain to the scarcity of maria and the awe-inspiring South Pole Aitken Basin, the hidden side of the moon is a world of its own. Each of these distinctive features contributes to the moon's unique personality, a personality that is as captivating as it is mysterious. The moon's hidden side is a testament to the complex and dynamic nature of our celestial neighbor. The exploration of the moon's hidden side has led to numerous scientific discoveries. Science, in its quest for knowledge, has unveiled secrets that have been locked away for billions of years on the moon's far side. One of the most significant discoveries is the presence of water ice. This is no small find, as it could potentially support future human missions to the moon, providing a crucial resource for both consumption and fuel production. This discovery was made by NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, and it has opened a new chapter in our understanding of the moon's environment. In addition to the presence of water, scientists have also identified an array of lunar craters, each with its own unique story to tell. Some of these craters have been named after famous scientists and explorers, a testament to the human spirit of discovery and exploration. These craters, like the massive South Pole Aitken Basin, provide valuable information about the moon's geologic history and the solar system's early days. But the discoveries don't stop there. The hidden side of the moon is also home to regions of high magnetic field strength, known as lunar swirls. These odd features have baffled scientists for years, and research is ongoing to unravel their mysteries. Moreover, there's the unique lunar surface composition. The far side has a higher concentration of certain minerals, such as thorium, than the near side. Understanding why this is so could provide insights into the moon's formation and evolution. As we continue to probe the moon's hidden side, future missions are already being planned. For instance, the Artemis program aims to land astronauts on the moon's south pole, where water ice is abundant. This mission could take us one step closer to establishing a sustainable human presence on the moon. Even as we uncover these secrets, the moon's hidden side continues to hold more mysteries, waiting to be unlocked. It's a constant reminder that there's always more to discover, more to learn, and more to understand about our closest celestial neighbor. The moon's hidden side continues to be a fertile ground for scientific research. Despite our increased understanding, the moon's hidden side is often referred to as the dark side. Now let's take a moment to unpack this. It's a common misconception, fueled by popular culture, that the moon has a side permanently shrouded in darkness. But here's the thing, it's not quite as it seems. The term dark side is a bit of a misnomer. It doesn't mean that this side of the moon is in perpetual twilight. In fact, it gets its fair share of sunlight, just like the side we can see from Earth. You see, the moon rotates on its axis, just as Earth does. This rotation means that both sides of the moon experience periods of daylight and darkness. So why do we call it the dark side? The term has less to do with light and more to do with knowledge. This side of the moon is dark to us in the sense that it's largely unknown and unseen, because the moon is tidally locked with the Earth, meaning it rotates at the same rate that it orbits our planet. We only ever see one side. The other side, the so-called dark side, is always turned away from us. This hidden hemisphere has been a source of intrigue and speculation for centuries, but remember, it's not dark in a literal sense, it's just hidden. So the next time someone mentions the dark side of the moon, you'll know the truth. The exploration of the moon's hidden side is far from over. As we stand at the precipice of a new era of lunar exploration, we find ourselves faced with even more questions. What other secrets does the moon's far side hold? Could there be resources we could leverage for future missions? Might we even find evidence of extraterrestrial life? Our fascination with the moon has not waned. Instead, it has deepened. With each mission, we unearth more about our celestial neighbor, fueling our curiosity and driving us to probe further. The future of lunar exploration promises to be as thrilling as it is challenging. New technologies are being developed, fresh theories formulated, and novel approaches to space travel are being considered, all with the goal of unraveling the moon's enigmatic backside. As we continue to explore, we unravel the mysteries of the moon one step at a time.